Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to my channel and another video. So this video is another clean with me fall edition. I'm cleaning my backyard, getting it prepared for the fall. I need to get rid of all the leaves that's in the backyard as well as some of the kids' toys. If you like this type of videos, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and leaving me a comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Now let's get to the cleaning. I started at the porch area. I removed all of the furniture and had to toss that rug. We wound up burning that rug one night, roasting marshmallows with our fire pit. Once everything was removed, I was able to use the leaf blower. I'm moving the leaves to the middle of the yard so it will be easier to pick them up. You guys, I love this leaf blower. It was a Father's Day gift for my husband, but at times I wind up using it more than he does. Right here, I'm just moving our outside trash can and the grill cover, and as you see, I jumped because there was a humongous spider on the grill. I do not like bugs. Me and bugs do not mix. It's, oh my goodness, no, bugs, no. But if you're a homeowner, you definitely need a leaf blower. If you have a yard, you definitely need a leaf blower. This is a great equipment to have. Majority of our lawn care items and equipment we get from Lowe's. We're an outdoorsy family, so we love sitting outside and enjoy nature. Our kids love playing outside in the backyard. And I just had to get rid of these leaves because with leaves comes other bugs bugs living in the leaves, and I just couldn't enjoy myself sitting outside with all the leaves around knowing that there could be bugs in them. So I had to clean this yard ASAP. As you can tell from the toys, this area belongs to the kids. This is where all of their toys are. They had more in this area, but over time I had to toss them away. The toys that you saw at the beginning of the video, those also got tossed since there was water in the pool. The kids could not keep those toys. This is the most that you've seen my kids in a video. Usually I don't show them as much. On this day, the plan was just to go outside and clean the backyard and allow them to kill the energy that they had built up. Again, my kids love playing outside, whether it's in the backyard, in the front yard, in a garage. As long as they're outside, they're having the time of their life. As you can tell from my attire, I was not going to record anything. But on this day, not only did they want to play outside, they also wanted to help. The both of them were very helpful. They as well love the leaf blower. Usually their dad is chasing them with the leaf blower, blowing the air in their face or on their clothes, and they just enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Sherry. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two, a 5-year-old and a 4-year-old. My content consists of DIYs, organization, Clean with Me's lifestyle and home decor. If you like these type of videos, then join our family by clicking on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my uploads. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Make sure you like this video and leave me a comment down below.
Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yep, it's Friday, oh, just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yep, it's Friday, oh, just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again.
It's been windy here in Georgia, but the weather is still warm, so I'm keeping the patio furniture on the porch until the season changes, and once that does, those items will be moved to our garage.
Not get no color, yeah, my master not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again.
Once all the leaves were picked up, I sprayed around the house, the doors, and the windows with the home defense spray. This spray is good to protect your home from any type of bugs, and since we removed the leaves, I didn't want any creeping into ours. You can spray your home one time and it's supposed to protect for 12 months. But I spray 4 times a year, so each time the seasons change, just to have that extra protection. And you can find this spray at any home improvement store. This is how I'm used to our backyard looking like. I can finally come out here and relax and don't have to worry about any bugs or anything crawling on me or playing peekaboo with me. But of course, as the season goes on, we will have to come back out and do the whole cleaning process again. Thanks for watching this Clean With Me Backyard Edition. Hopefully this motivated you to clean your backyard or that room in your house that really needs to be clean. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends or your loved ones, and make sure that you are subscribed and that those notification bells are turned on. Follow me on my social media platforms. That's where you can find me when I'm not on YouTube. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.